Hello, Alex Kolosko is here, your Pro Club instructor at Photigy School of Photography. I'm inviting you to our next workshop at Pro Club, Club of Professionals, where we learn, where we do some crazy stuff and exploring new technique in product photography. And this time we'll be doing a cocktail shot with the special ingredient. Be really careful. This is a dry ice, which you can get on any grocery store in US. I mean, in most of the stores, it doesn't cost much. You need to be careful because it's really cold. It basically burns your hands. It's about -70, I think, Celsius, which is a lot below the ground. So in a week, we are going to do the shot in real time. You watch us and you see how I'll be doing all our magical and crazy things, and then you repeat it and submit the result, and then you receive my critique and review online on online webinar. This is what we do on assignments that now we called workshops at Photigy Pro Club. If you're a member, you will get access to this and all the rest, hundreds of tutorials that we have there. If not, it's time for you to join us, because we only the school, online school of product photography, that doing this on such level and in such interactivity, meaning that you really see everything what is going on. You see through my camera, because I connect camera live view and output to the stream that you watch during the workshop. And of course you can watch it after everything is done, and because everything is saved and ready for you on your Pro Club account at Photigy. So looking forward to see you on the workshop, and well, join us if you want to learn product photography and become the superstar, because we are making superstars in our school. Already, see you in a week. Have a good one.